Rapid Media presents Rapid Media TV.
Scott McGregor here, sitting down to make you look taller, Shillian, in the H20 paddles booth.
I appreciate that a lot.
Okay, Scott McGregor, Rapid Media TV in the H20 booth at Outdoor Retailer.
Again,
Shillian, tell me what is new. You got the highest end paddle you've ever done here at H20. Tell me about it.
H20 for this year, for 2014, we've come up with our Super Tour. You know, every year H20 we try to experiment with new materials. We always try to push the envelope a bit. And we finally, in his injection molded paddle, we're down at 27 ounces. So this is our highest end paddle we've made to date, which is a 27 ounce fully injection molded paddle. And it's a proprietary material to us again too. So, and also features our fast ferrule design that we've been getting a lot of great feedback on. It's really changed a lot of the vendors and how they like our center ferrules. So that's worked really well. It's it's a polyolefin material, so it's really difficult to mold, and it's going to be brand new for 2014.
You guys are experts in this molding of plastic things.
Paddles, yeah.
All right, let's move over across the booth here. I'll let you run across in front of me.
Sure,
we're talking about a new fishing paddle.
Okay. Again, another thing that we're doing new for 2014 is we've seen that the sit-on-top market's coming along really well. Kayak fishing's been huge, obviously. You know
it's
that.
It's a big deal.
It's a big deal, and we've kind of added some more fun to it. We've come out with a camo, tan camo, and a desert camo fishing paddle, fishing specific paddle, so it's available up to 250 centimeters in length too, because the boats are wider. Fishermen need something that's going to fit on that boat with the seat. So we've done that. It features a lot of innovative little things that you see: tape measure on the shaft, line hook, scale weight, and a push button for simplicity. And it matches a lot of the boats that are out there today. As if you're at the show, you'll see a lot of camo fishing boats, and we think this is going to add a lot of fun for our lineup, and we're looking for great things for this.
Great, and a new SUP paddle.
Yep. This is our first year. We've come to the market. Again, we really listen to the voice of our retailer. It's a big deal. When we have fill in our line, they're taking our paddles and they're asking us, please, come on, we want to have.
Yeah, we have whitewater and we have touring, but bring us the SUP paddle.
Bring us the SUP paddle, so we don't have to go to build. So we've come up with two SUP paddles this year. We have our Team SUP that uses our C1 profile as the base, and then we've kind of optimized it. And we have our normal SUP with the more traditional teardrop shape. They're all adjustable, fully adjustable. They can, click lock, which is, cuts down the number of SKUs for our retailers. You only have to carry two, fits everybody. Continuous fiber blade, so it's a very stiff paddle. And again, something new for us, and it's going to, open up a different market that's not our traditional kayak market.
Great. Shillian, I hope you and H2O have a good time at the show.
Thanks, Scott.
Scott McGregor here with Rapid Media TV, hoping you paddle forever.
More about Rapid Media's print and digital magazines, International Paddling Film Festival, on-water events, and online store. Visit rapidmedia.com.